example D, we're finding the difference. Since this is a subtraction problem, I'm going to go ahead and change this to an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number 1 by the denominator 9. I get 9. Then I add the numerator 4, which gives me 13. So we added the numerator, and then the denominator, remember, stays the same, so it stays a 9. So we're adding 13. Oh, we're not adding. What am I doing? We're subtracting 5 6 from 13 ninths. And then now the problem becomes that these are not the same size pieces. So what I need to do is I need to figure out the denominator that I can use. So I need to find the least common multiple, or the least common denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and record my 9s. So 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, now I'm going to record my 6's. So 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 5 is 30. Let's see if they have anything in common. All right, they have an 18 in common, and I don't see anything smaller they have in common. So I know that I need to use a denominator of 18. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color I'm using, and I'll start by changing the 13 ninths. So 13 ninths I need to change so that it has a denominator of 18. All right, so I need to think about what scale factor I need to use. Just think for a moment. 9 times what gives you 18? Well, 1 9, 2 9s gives you 18. So I multiply 9 by 2 to get 18. So I need to multiply the numerator by that same number. 13 times 2 is 26. So I get rid of 13 ninths, and in its place, I created an equivalent fraction, 26 eighteenths. So 26 eighteenths is equal to 13 ninths. That's why I can replace 13 ninths with 26 eighteenths. I'm going to mix up the color again, and I'm going to work on this 5/6 part now. And I need the same size pieces, so I have to change this fraction so that it has the same denominator as this other fraction I created. So I think about the scale factor I need to use. What do I need to multiply the 5 and 6 by to get my equivalent fraction? 6 times what is 18? Well, think about it. 1, 2, 3 6's makes 18. So I need to multiply the numerator by the same number. And 5 times 3 is 15. So I trade out 5 6 for 15 eighteenths. And then, so I created the equivalent fractions, and now I'm on to step 3, which is add or subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So this part's the easiest part. Keep the denominator the same. And then I just subtract the numerators. So I need to take 26 and I need to subtract the 15. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So I get 11 eighteenths. 11 is a prime number, and 18 is not divisible by 11, so the answer is 11 eighteenths.